that's how you should like bring up your case. That's how you convince the people. That's all. And use like compelling words that really illustrate the condition. So depression is like a scary word, right? Like people can totally imagine, oh, if you're depressed, of course people will like become very unproductive like that. So try to use words that really describe the event or the like incident that will happen if you don't ban homework, for instance. Use like hinders productivity is like a strong word. Use compelling and strong words that can like put people like, oh yeah, that's what's gonna happen if we don't ban homework.
It means that we can start with what people believe in common, right?
Yeah.
What we believe in common, and we add reasons by providing more data like that.
More data and also explanation.
Or let me say like entering someone else's house and know what they believe, and then try to attack based on that point.
Sure. Yeah, that's what usually debaters do.
In another way, you can also like imagine yourself the moment you have too much homework and you don't have time to finish them, and your teacher will like, hey, collect your homework, and how scared are you, like, you know, you feel like you don't want to go to school at all because you have too much homework and you cannot do it. And then when you go to school, you actually cheat with your friends, okay? You're like, can I borrow your book? And you're like copying all those things, you know? That's probably me, yeah.
Yeah, just like
yeah, you know, put yourself into it. So make it as an argument. For example, let's say